Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you all are well, inshallah. Dear all, today is our computer class, so we will revise lesson 3 keyboard. I already explained to you keyboard. Again, for you, I will explain to you. Okay? So, I hope you just try to do the practical. Okay, if you are doing the practical, it is long time in your memory. Okay, so see, now you know there are 26 letter there are 26 alphabet keys. You know alphabets key A to Z. In English also it is alphabets 20. Same like that on the keyboard. No increase, no decrease. 10 numbers keys. See right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can press 1 and 0. It become a 10. And 12 functions keys on the keyboard. Functions keys where you can see the first line of keyboard, small buttons F1, F2, F3, F4 like that. I will tell to the functions keys. If you want increase your laptop wise, you can press F3. You want decrease your laptop wise, you can use F2. You want mute, you don't want to listen any voice, then you can use F1. So this is the shortcut keys or functions keys. Okay, enter key takes the cursor to the next line. Whenever you are typing, like not paragraph, almost sometime like new words, one word finish, you should use enter, the cursor will come down. Okay, space bar, insert blank space between words. If you want type paragraphs, that time each word, then you want, when one word is finished, then you will give the space. How you will, which key is long on keyboard? Space bar we are using for insert blank space. Backspace key and the delete key help you to erase your mistake on the screen. Whenever you are using pencil for writing, if any mistakes, instead of A it came I or O, you think, I by mistake I wrote, so you are using eraser. So like that we are using here in laptop or computer, desktop computer, backspace key and delete key for the erase that mistake. Number lock key is used to numeric keypad. There are two shift key on the keyboard. You can see right side and left side, the keys are there, two keys are there, shift key. Arrow keys are also called cursor control key. You know, when we are playing games and we want to some work typing, that time we want to page up or down, so that time we are using these four keys. You can see right side four keys are there, arrow keys. These are called arrow, up, down, right and left. Okay, now come key terms. Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor of a computer. See, cursor, whenever you are typing anything, any words, any paragraph, that time the cursor's shape is capital I. It is coming and going, blinking. Backspace key, erase the character typed on the left side of the cursor. Delete key, erase the character type on the right side of the cursor. Here is the caps lock key. It's also a good key. Whenever you want all letter in capital, just press left side button is there, caps lock is written on the key button, caps lock. Just press, all letter is coming capital. Okay, if you don't want all letter capital, just again press, it will come normal small letter. Number lock key, when on, you can type number using numeric keypad. Okay. Shift key, when pressed, causes a type letter to appear in uppercase. The upper symbol of the number key or symbol key are also typed with its help. When you press shift key during any typing, the letter one, when holding shift key then typing, the letters are coming capital. If you want like the, the should be T will become capital, that time you will use shift key, like press one time and press T, it will become a capital. Type, then it will come capital. I hope you understand, and I hope you will try at home practical. Okay, so please read this all, and all keep in your mind. If you are reading again and again, it will easy for you also. Thank you so much. Stay at home. Bye.